Hello and welcome back beautiful people into another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can add extension in your Chrome browser. So after watching this video you can add extension from web store and you can add third-party extension on your browser. So you can clean your doubt how to add extension in your Google Chrome browser. From here we need to open our browser and then we need to go to three dots from here and go to extension. From here you can go to visit Chrome web store. You can search web store Chrome. From here it's give me the same result. If I go to extension and visit Chrome web store, it's give me the same result. Now if I search something from here, or you can use any extension from here. If I go to this extension and add to Chrome, you can see we can easily add our extension in our web browser. Now you can see you cannot see this icon in here, so for this we need to go to this extension and we need to pin this extension in our browser. So now you can see we can easily see our extension from here. Now I will show you the second method how you can add any third-party extension in your browser. From here we need to go to our extension and go to manage extension. From here now you can see the no option are coming from here, so for this we need to on our developer mode from here. So we need to go to load unpack from here. If I go to my desktop from here, you can see no extension are show in our PC. So for this we need to unzip this first. Now you can see it's unzipped. So for this we need to go to load unpack again, and now this time you can see our extension from here. Just simply click on select folder. Now you can guys see this, our extension is added in our browser. So guys, I hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy this video, please like, share and subscribe this channel.